Hey guys, how's it going? How to keep your Kraken API keys secure. So first of all, click your avatar icon at the top right. Click the settings and go to the API right here. And you're going to be able to basically create API key for spot trading and margin trading and for futures and the futures trading API direct server access, right? So if you want to keep, if you enable the API key and you want to keep it secure, limit permissions, right? Only enable the permissions needed for use case, e.g. viewing account balances, right? And use IP whitelisting. Restrict IP key usage to a specific IP address by clicking right here, add IP address. Do not share your IP keys. Never share your API keys with anyone or store them in insecure locations like plain text files. And monitor activity. Make sure that you review your API key activity to detect unauthorized use by clicking your avatar icon at the top right. Go to the settings. Go to the settings and go to the API. Make sure that you just go back and forth to review your API key. And make sure that you enable this global settings log. By going to security, you can just go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Make sure that the GCL is activated to prevent changes to API key permissions or settings without your authorization. And make sure that you secure your devices. If you want to know how to secure your devices, you can use the two-factor authentication, whether that was passkey or authentication app, and basically delete unused API keys. By going to your API, make sure that you delete the unwanted API keys from here by clicking the three dots next to the API key and delete it. And by adhering to these practices, you can ensure the security of your Kraken API keys and safeguard your account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.